Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host Daman Ahluwalia. Today I am going to show you a Mahindra's sub 4-meter SUV. It's none other than an XUV300. So here it is. First and foremost, let's talk about its introduction. Well, this is a 2019 petrol model, W8 optional. We purchased this vehicle in the month of December 2019. We bought it approximately for 12,50,000 from Mahindra showroom Chandigarh. Now let me give you a short overview of a walk around of this vehicle. Well, I got it washed recently to give you guys a realistic view of this vehicle. After the walk around, you can see after a period of 3.5 years how clean the bodyline of the vehicle is. Moving towards the heart of the XUV, which is its engine. Let's pop the hood first. It will pop from here.
Oh my god! Wow!
Talking about the engine specs, since I have mentioned earlier also, this is a petrol model. It comes with a 1.2 liter turbo petrol which produces 110 bhp along with 200 newton meters of torque. This car has ran 62,000 kilometers and you guys can see the condition of this engine. Nothing has happened till now. This engine is mated to a 6-speed manual gearbox. Let's see the interior of the vehicle now. We will commence from the driver's side. This is the driver's side. Since I have mentioned earlier also, I got it washed to give you a realistic perspective of this vehicle. See the condition of the seat. It is like a new one. This is the co-driver's seat, and along with it, it is the center console that contains my purse as well as a pen. Moving towards the back row, this is the first in segment car which arrived with 3 adjustable headrests. Let's see. Yeah, definitely it contains 3 adjustable headrests. In addition, since this car has the longest wheelbase among its competitors, eventually it contains larger leg space in the back seat also, and the comfort level of this vehicle is bomb. One thing I forgot to mention is that the whole interior of the XUV is of beige color, while the dashboard is of dual color, which contains black on the top as you can see and beige on the bottom. One thing I forgot to mention is that since this car has ran over 60,000 kilometers, but It's still in its stock tire. This is wholly and solely because of nitrogen air. Because from the day one we have filled nitrogen air in these tires. If you don't believe me, have a look. Well, see, 3519. So these were manufactured in the 35th week of 2019, and we bought this vehicle in the month of December 2019. So till now this car, both rear and front, is in the stock tires. I had told you the manufacturing month as well as the year of the tire, but did not mention the tire company. So these tires, all of the four are of MRF company, and the tire model is Wanderer Eco Tread, and the tire section of an XUV is 21555R1794H. Lastly, that's all in this video. We'll upload more videos on this car covering topics like its positive, negative, and my driving experience.